Get out on the lake, let's go fishing. Just where we'll point that boat, nobody knows. Well, we don't know if it's gonna be feast or famine. So sit your ass back and enjoy the Big John Show. Let it go! Watch that stump over.
What we got going on, Cornbread? Me and Cornbread, we over here processing that pig. Y'all seen us catching that video? We got another one. I posted a little short on it today. Today's Sunday. We like to let them sit in the cooler for about a week. Get all the blood and stuff nasty out of them. Change the water all the time. If they sit in there a week and it's warm, we'll change the water 7, 8 times. Cold, we probably didn't change it, what, 5 times? Maybe 5. Alright. Well, we finna cut it up, make some sausage out of it. Cornbread said he couldn't give his recipe out, but I mean, any sausage recipe will work. His is just better. It's his mama's.
Yeah, it ain't mine, it's my mama's.
It's his mama's secret. But we'll bring y'all along. I'll turn it on when we start doing stuff. Right now, we're just deboning. If y'all want to know how to debone a pig, I'm sure there's better videos on it than what we'll make. Makes everything go better. How you feel about front shoulders?
I despise them.
If we had more pigs, we'd be giving them away to the neighbors, huh?
Yeah.
We can't catch but one at a time, though. I ain't never had that happen 2 times in my whole life.
Last time that trout caught 8.
Yeah. Well, I don't really ever remember catching one at a time. Unless it was a great big boar or something. Something stupid.
They generally don't get in there.
I was figuring that we'd be getting a message we had some now. They just have to wait till Saturday. Be good and cleaned up. We start working fast, I'll turn you on time lapse, but that probably ain't gonna be today. Alright, we finna put you on a time lapse, so we finna be grinding meat, and that's the most annoying sound I've ever heard on video. So y'all get a little music montage with it, and we finna do that. I'm gonna put you on a little tripod right in our way. We got it all grinded up. That was on time lapse. I hope y'all enjoyed that. Now we're finna try this awesome meat mixer, and we gotta put this sausage stuffer together too. We're gonna do a video on that too. All together, y'all getting 3 videos out of this series. That's about 16 pounds of meat. It's supposed to be 15, but we add a little extra bacon.
And here's the secret ingredient.
Y'all can do what we did here. It's 10 pounds of pork or a hog or deer meat, either one. And then you add about 5 pounds of bacon, 5.5, and mix your own seasoning, because Cornbread ain't gonna tell you the seasoning. And I don't know if I did a video where I showed the exact seasoning, because this is Cornbread's mama's recipe. It's badass, but there's 100 recipes for sausage. Do what you like.
It ain't just pure bacon. It's bacon ends and
pieces. Yeah.
Just so y'all know that.
Yeah, there's a difference. Bacon ends and pieces. And we tried something different today with some smoked bacon ends and pieces. Well, we'll time lapse you while we're mixing it and all that.
It's supposed to suction.
When you get all the meat in there, dunk it soon in there and hold that corner out for a second. You can't hold it, you'll have to hold it up there. And you don't stick your hand in there.
Why?
Because I don't want to hit your fingers. I'm controlling the spinner. It don't bother me. Listen, right here.
It's supposed to. I don't think it'll suction cup to that table.
Well, I'll just tell you. I know you're supposed to go a certain way, but I ain't mixing it good that way. It's mixing way better that way.
But now I'll put it in my hand.
Right.
Bathroom smells good in the mother.
Good. Probably best mix mate we've ever had. We didn't do time lapse,
Yeah.
Alright, we finna start stuffing. I'm gonna run the time lapse on it. Me and Cornbread bite through for a day. We done tried it, it was pretty good. I wanted to show y'all one time, real time, how easy this is. I hope y'all are seeing everything. If not, I'm just stuffing a sack.
Okay. Twist it.
And you'll see the most impressive part anyway.
Done.
Done. Click that button. See that.